Wow, look at this house. It's beautiful. Wow, I'd love to rent this house. I wonder if they're open on a Sunday. I'd love to see it today while I'm in town. Let me give this number a call. Voicemail. They're not open on a Sunday. Dang it. Wait, let me listen. I want to see a viewing of this property. Wow, they sent me a text message. Let me click on this text message and see. Wow, it goes to some website where I fill in information and I can schedule a viewing today? I gotta figure this out. This is awesome. How do you schedule a viewing once you get the text message? Wow, it sent me a text. I just had to click on it. Oh, now I need to view the map and find the property. This property is down in Oceanside. And all I have to do is put schedule a viewing. Now it's going to ask me a bunch of questions. It wants my name. It wants my last name. It wants my email address. It wants my phone number. I think it needs that information so it can send me a lockbox code later. Let me continue to the next step. Now I want some details. When are you looking to move? I'm looking to go in December 1st. How long a lease would you want? I want at least 1 year. How many animals will you be bringing? I just have my one dog. What is the source of your monthly income? Income from employment. What is the total yearly income for everyone in your household? It's very important that you put yearly, not monthly. So we want to put yearly because it looks at yearly to see if you qualify on the 3 times the income level. So make sure you put everyone who's living there and the yearly income. At least one occupant has been evicted in the past? No. At least one occupant has filed for bankruptcy before? No. At least one occupant has been convicted of a felony? Nope. At least one occupant has a judgment filed before them? Nope. So I'm going to continue the next step. Now it wants to know what type of animal I have. I have a dog. He is between 20 and 50 pounds. And he is a lab. And how did you hear about the property and anything else you'd like to know about the property manager? That's optional. I'm going to skip that for now. I click this in. Great, the property has one more question. Have you read and acknowledged that these breeds are not allowed? So it has a whole list of dogs that they don't allow. Yes, I've read that. Scan a copy or take a picture of your driver's license or other government issued ID. If you cannot upload one now, we can email you a reminder with a link to this page to upload later. Wow, I have to upload a license? Okay, I guess I'm just going to push this photo button on my camera. I'm going to take a photo or video on my camera, and now I have to take a picture of a driver's license. Hold on, I got to get one. Okay, with my camera, I'm just going to take my driver's license and I'm going to take a photo of it. Use the photo. We have the driver's license in there. There it is. Upload the photo. I'm going to upload and continue. Schedule a self-viewing. Would you like to go view or rent? I would like to date. I would like to see it today. I'd like to see it. Schedule a viewing right now. When you get to the property, reply with an 8-digit serial from the top of the code box lockbox, and we'll send you the code. Please make sure the property is secure and key is back inside the lockbox when you leave after you've viewed the property. What's the 8-digit code? I don't get it. I'm confused. What do I do now?
Okay, so the 8-digit code on the box is either going to be located right here on the top or right here across the front.
Thank you so much, Housematch, for that explanation. That makes a lot of sense. So I need to go up to the door and I need to type in the 8-digit code serial number on the door. Let's go up to the door. Okay, so I am going to type in 20002603. I type that into my phone and guess what? A code comes up right away for this property. Let's enter that code and see if it works. So I'm going to type in the code 9303, and then we have to push enter. And then it's going to say push drawer and release. You got to push right here on this blue part. You push this, and that's going to open it. So make sure you push that blue part right there. It's going to open like this, and you'll see the key is right inside of here. We take the key out. We unlock the door. We're now going to go see this wonderful house.
Let's go take a look.
If you happen to make a mistake while putting in the number, you're going to receive an error code. It's going to say entry error, try again. Wait till the screen clears, then enter the correct number, press enter, press in the middle to receive the key.
Wow, that was great. We definitely want to apply for this house.
Yes.
Sunday, we're going to go to housematchhomes.com. We're going to apply online and be able to do all this on a Sunday. Great thing about self-showing. Now, what we need to do, we need to lock the door. We've left the lockbox open when we went and viewed it, so that all we need to do is put the key in, close the lockbox. Now the lockbox is locked, the door is locked, the house is secure. If you have any questions, you can call our number Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. But you can see houses with us on the weekends between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Have a wonderful day.